if you do any reading about the Chinese and Chinese culture, you learn a number of key points. One of them is relationships are important. However, if you use the Western idea of relationships when you're with the Chinese, you will fail, because the word that the Chinese use, guanxi, is translated as relationships, but it does not mean relationships as Westerners define it. It doesn't mean just people I know, people who I've got a business card from, people I've done business with once or twice. What guanxi means to the Chinese is mutually shared obligation. That now, once I have received a favor from Mr. Chen, Mr. Huang, who's Mr. Chen's friend, can come to me now, and that I am now obligated to help him, even if I don't want to, even if it's against my interests, because now I now owe him, because of the favor that Mr. Chen did, I now have to help Mr. Huang. But that means that a month later, I can go to Mr. Dong, who's Mr. Huang's friend, and now I can ask for something from him, a cheap price on a printing job, say. And that now that's the way guanxi works. It's not relationships as Westerners define it. It's more of an obligation. And once you are in a guanxi group, you're in it. The only way out is to not do the thing. And when you not do the thing, your whole guanxi group collapses.